Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to iFactioners 1000 English synonyms with meaning in Hindi and Urdu. This is our lesson number 7. Sundown, sunset. गरूब आफ्ताब, सूरज का डूबना. Sundown, sunset. Sunrise, dawn. तलुए आफ्ताब, सूर्योदय. Sunrise, dawn. Sure, certain. ज़रूर, यकीनन. Sure, certain. Surroundings, environment. माहौल. Surroundings, environment. Temper, mood. Mazaj, temper, move. Testament, testimony. Gwahi. Testament, testimony. Touchdown, landing. Utarna. Touchdown, landing. Touchy, sensitive. Hassas. Touchy, sensitive. Transform, convert. Badalna. Transform, convert. Transitory, temporary. आर्जी, अस्थायी. Transitory, temporary. Transparent, obvious. शफाफ. Transparent, obvious. Trustworthy, reliable. ईमानतदार, भरोसेमंद. Trustworthy, reliable. Twister, tornado. तूफान, बवंदार. Twister, tornado. Ultimate, final. आखिरी, अंतिम. Ultimate, final. Uncommon, unusual. गैर मामूली. Uncommon, unusual. Uncooked, raw. कच्चा. Uncooked, raw. Undeniable, indisputable. नाकाबिले यकीन, निर्विवाद. Undeniable, indisputable. Unforeseen, unexpected. गैर मुतवक्के. Unforeseen, unexpected. Unfortunate, unlucky. बदकिस्मती, दुर्भाग्य. Unfortunate, unlucky. Unhurt, unharmed. महफूज. Unhurt, unharmed. Unlawful, illegal. गैर कानूनी. Unlawful, illegal. Unmarried, single. अकेला, अकेली. Unmarried, single. Untimely, premature. वक्त समय से पहले. Untimely, premature. Untrue, unfaithful. बेमान. untrue, unfaithful. Unusual, strange, ajeeb, unusual, strange. Upspring, rebellion, withdraw, बगावत. Upspring, rebellion. Usually, generally, normally. आमतौर पर, usually, normally, generally. Vacuum, hoover, vacuum. Vacuum, hoover. Vague, indistinct. मबहम, अस्पष्ट. Vague, indistinct. Vain, useless. बेकार, नकम्मा. Vain, useless. Valueless, worthless. जिसकी कोई कदर ना हो. Valueless, worthless. To vary, to differ. मुख्तलिफ, विभिन्न. To vary, to differ. Vast, huge. बहुत बड़ा. Vast, huge. Virtue, advantage, फायदा. Virtue, advantage. To visualize, to imagine. तस्वुर करना, कल्पना करना. To visualize, to imagine. Warranty, guarantee, warranty. Warranty, guarantee. Well-mannered, polite. अच्छी तरह से. Well-mannered, polite. To withstand, to resist. सामना करना, विरोध करना. To withstand, to resist. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for joining me. Please like this video tutorial and share it with your friends and family. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe and hit the like button and please hit the bell icon. I will see you next time. Until then, take care, keep learning, keep enjoying. Good day.